Good potty. Good potty, Sky. Did you go potty, Frida? There goes Bingley. Woo! There goes Maverick. Woo woo! It's pouring rain. It's been raining all day and all night. Good job, Penny. Good girl. Woo! Come on, you guys. Where'd it go? Come on, Rox. Come on, Roxy. Frida. Good job, Gage. Woo, 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 woo. Go, Bingley, go. Woo! Here we go, everybody. These two. Good grief. Come on, you guys. Good job, Bingley. Bingley's pooping. Good job, Bingley. Maverick, be good to her. She's a little girl. You be nice. Good boy. Okay, I gotta go get my raincoat on. I should have brought my coat. Easy, easy, easy. I don't know why he's just with her. He seems to, I don't know, he seems to be after her the most for some reason. Okay, I gotta shut this off. I gotta go in, I'm getting soaked.